Hello everyone, welcome back to SNDev. Today we'll be solving best time to buy and sell stock, which is an easy level LeetCode array question. So let's get started. Here you have an array where each element represents the price of a stock on a given day. Our goal is to find max profit we can achieve by buying on one day and selling on another day. For the particular given array, the max profit we can make is 5. This is achieved by buying at 1 and selling at 6. However, if the prices are like that in the descending order, you can't make any profit, so the output would be 0. So what would be our plan to solve the problem? First, you have to initialize a variable to store the minimum price. Second, initialize another variable to store the max profit. Then you have to loop through the prices array and update these variables accordingly. This approach ensures that we only go through the prices array once, making it very efficient with the time complexity of big O of n. How the code works? First, we have to check if the prices array is empty. If it is, we return 0. Then we initialize min to the first price and max to the 0. Then we loop through the prices starting from the second day. If the current price is higher than our minimum, we calculate the potential profit and update max if this profit is greater than our current max. If the current price is lower than mean, we update mean to this new lower price. Let's visualize this with our earlier example that we saw. If the input is 75364, starting with minimum value 7 and max 0, on day 1 price is 1, so we update the mean to 1. On day 2 price is 5, so the potential profit is 4, so max becomes 4. On day 3 price is 3, so no update to max. On day 4 price is 6, so potential profit will be 5, which is greater than our previous max, so the max becomes 5. So our final output will be 5. For 76431 in descending order of this array, here mean will keep getting updated to the current price and max remains 0. So final output will be 0. And that's it. You know how to find the best time to buy and sell stock with just one transaction using efficient algorithm. So thanks for watching and happy coding. See you in the next video.